So request her to kindly felicitate and welcome Srimati Neerja Chaudhary, senior journalist and columnist and political commentator Srimati Neerja Chaudhary ji. Thank you very much for taking time out.
But I too, like Dr. Jayaprakash, I'm really stunned by this majestic dome. I've come here for the first time. And it shows that we should have dreams and then we should fulfill these dreams also. Make sure that they are realized. I'm going to give 5-6 points very quickly on the subject. You know, there was a time when you went into the countryside and कुछ पेपर में निकला होता था तो लोग कहते थे अखबार में निकला है तो सही होगा, अखबार में निकला है तो सही होगा. There was so much trust in what had appeared in the media. आज लोग अगर something has appeared, they will dismiss it or they will say कौन से पेपर ने लिखा है या किसने लिखा है, उसकी विश्वसनीयता क्या है. So we've come a long way, but in the wrong direction. So the cardinal principle that we were taught, and I'm sure my colleagues were taught, accuracy of what you write and credibility of what you write. And I think the most prized possession of any journalist is his or her credibility. So accuracy, credibility are the two guiding stars for any journalist. You know, we've chosen a very wide theme, very encompassing theme, media ethics and peace. ये पूरी दुनिया को cover करता है actually. It needs really to be broken down to be able to discuss it. But I would say, what is the role of the media? Role of the media is कि सरकार को आईना दिखाना about what is going wrong, what is going right, what are the correctives to put in place, और समाज को आईना दिखाना. So you have people stirred to take action. अगर आज मैनुअल स्कैवेंजिंग के बारे में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ये कहता है कि हमारा देश है एक जहाँ कि हम लोगों को गैस चेंबर में भेजते हैं, when they clean up those manholes, then I would say the media has not done its job over 70 years of freedom. I'm very concerned about Kashmir, not because the government and the ruling party have had their agenda. They've had it for 70 years. They have implemented it. I can disagree, you can agree, that's a different story. But I am very concerned. For 45 days, no story is coming out. लोगों में हो क्या रहा है, क्या कह रहे हैं, साइकोलॉजिकली क्या हो रहा है, फिजिकली क्या हो रहा है, इमोशनली क्या हो रहा है. This is something that, you know, this is the absolutely primary duty of a journalist, to be allowed to go there and to report from there. I'm not saying allow violence, I'm not going into all those questions at all. Accurately report what's going on there. 45 days is a very long time for a lockdown. I think the media is not meant to be an adjunct of the government, whichever the government. सरकार का अपना काम है, मीडिया का अपना काम है. The government has official media to put across its policies, programs, and it has its own work to do. An independent media in a parliamentary democracy like ours has its job to do. I would say one other role of the media, the way I see it, is to give voice to the last person. बाकी लोग जिस पे attention नहीं देते. You know, I've been following, इस समय सितंबर में पोषण माह है on malnutrition. This government has brought in huge energy to counter and combat malnutrition. But अगर 80 लाख बच्चे severely and chronically malnourished हैं, जिनको एक bout diarrhea का हो गया, they're gone. And this figure has not changed for the last 12, 13 years. So that is the last person we've got to speak up for. Okay, I'll say one last thing and I will wind up. I would say to this organization, to media colleagues, आप पहल कीजिए एक. I think we need to revisit what is the role of the media, not just amongst media persons, but it should include the executive branch, the legislative branch, the judicial branch, because हम लोग भटक गए हैं सबके रोल से. Thank you.